I got 11 minutes left on this card, so. Yeah, that's good. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all doing good. It's Sunday. Y'all saw in the beginning, house is clean, everything's clean. If you hear noise in the back, that's my dryer. I'm finishing up on my clothes and I am about to relax, make me something to eat. I just wanted to check in. This is the start of a new weekly vlog. I just got finished recording a video that I should have been finished, but I had some technical difficulties with it, which is why I couldn't finish it in time like I really wanted to. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram at MACULATELIFE and TikTok, Michelin Angel. I just kind of started on TikTok and I actually like it. At first I was like, I don't know, it's not for me, but it's kind of dark. Let me step back, get some light. There we go. But I actually like it and I've been putting some content over there as well. The content over there you might not find over here at YouTube. So just be sure to check that out. And I don't know why it keeps going in and out like that. Okay, there we go. But anyway, y'all, so be sure to follow me. Give the video a thumbs up before leaving. And don't forget to subscribe before leaving as well. So let's go ahead and get this vlog started. And I will see y'all soon. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. So I am just getting up. It is 10:30 and y'all, I'm off today and I guess it was meant for me to be off today because my body hurts so bad. I just started my cycle today and is kicking my butt this morning. So I decided to just go ahead and get up, sit and do a little bit of editing. I still have this video that I was supposed to put up on Monday. It's actually on yesterday. It's actually Tuesday, and I am tired. So, and that's what happens when you have your cycle. My first day is always the worst day. The first 2-3 days is always the worst days for me. I'm just trying to like do as much as I can while I'm home today. Hopefully, it won't be as bad tomorrow because I have to do some braids tomorrow. So you know what that means. That means I have to stand for almost 4 to 6 hours, and I'm gonna try to push through that. But anyway. So I just want to check in and say what's up. I know y'all say y'all see me in this shirt all the time. But so yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and edit, and then I'm going to I got some content that I need to put on my TikTok, and then I need to fold some clothes, and then it was something else that I need to do that I cannot remember what it was. But I'm supposed to be drinking tea, but coffee is better. But anyway, I'll probably drink some later on this afternoon to help with, because it's like my ovaries, my lower back, y'all. If you go through, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. So, but anyway, I'll see y'all in a few. Y'all, I've had a lot go on in the past week or two. Y'all don't want to know. But what I can say is, today I'm just going to do, I'm trying to do a self-care type thing for me today. So I'm going to be doing my own pedicure. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows and stuff like that. So that way I could feel better, because I don't know if y'all have heard about the Bank of America thing that's been going on with the accounts and all that stuff. So I am going to get myself together, get dressed, go out and get me another bank account, basically. I think I'm gonna try to get my nails off. I was gonna go and get them done, but for right now, I basically just wanna try to do them myself. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in this vlog today. So I decided I'm going to start with my pedicure first and knock that out. Besides, I don't know if you all know me, but I am a hairstylist, so I know how to do all these things. I know how to do my eyebrows, I know how to do my lashes, I know how to do my own facials, I know how to do my own waxes, I know how to do all that stuff myself. So I'm going to take advantage of that, and I'm going to do it myself. So I want to show you a couple of things that I purchased, and I'm going to show you my pedicure setup and what I did. Hold on, y'all. And this morning, it's crazy because this morning, I'm drinking tea this morning. I ran out of coffee. And I was going to order me some. I said, you know what? I could be saving some coins there too. So I went ahead and made me some tea. I am drinking the Yogi Honey Chai Turmeric Vitality. I love this one. And I put a little honey in it. No sugar, no nothing, just honey. And love it. Let's go ahead and get started with my little, I have a mini haul. I went into Sally's and I needed a couple of things for my pedicure. So first I'm going to start with this filer, this toe file. And then I went ahead and got some Pedi scrub. It has sea kelp and aloe vera in it. And it's an exfoliating gel. So I wanted to try that. All this came from Sally's Beauty Supply. I'll be sure to link everything in the bottom. I got me some caps because I'm also going to be doing a steam, a towel. I can't explain it, but I'm going to be doing my hair and I need a cap for my hair because I'm going to let the conditioner sit on my hair. And then I got me some more toe separators. I got me some more toe separators. And then I got me a buffer, a nail buff. And then I also got a pumice bar. So, yeah, I thought that was perfect. That's all I needed because I have everything else. And I'm going to show you my setup real quick. I wanted to try this Shea Better 24-Hour Moisture Shave Cream. It's lavender by EOS, Evolution of Smooth. I got it from Target. And I wanted to try this because I tried the Skin Tint. It's okay, but I also wanted to try something different. Y'all, look at my nails. My nails are tore up. Don't pay it no mind. But anyway, so yeah, so I want to try this. And I got me some sensitive Venus razors. And yeah, so let me go ahead and show you my really quick pedicure setup. I got it set up kind of cute, y'all. Well, it ain't really set up that cute, but I'm going to be sitting in front of my TV doing my pedicure. So, hey, is what it is. I got 11 minutes left on this card, so. Yeah, that's good. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so I have some nail polish remover because I still have polish on my toes. I have cotton, I have cuticle remover, I have air on my clippers, I have my cuticle nipper for my cuticles, I have a cuticle pusher and all that good stuff. I also have this to get any rough patches and stuff like that off. I have, of course, y'all seen these two already. And then I have some alcohol. I also have my base, top and base coats, and some lotion and oil. Oh, I've got my oil. Some oil. And then right here is a foot mask. Y'all seen this in one of my previous videos. And I'm going to do that last because it's called for that to be done last. So, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and get started. And let's do that. Eh. cute, really nice. I'm happy. I put a clear pinkish coat on it and did like a gel type thing because I had the gel lamp. So I went ahead and did that. And so now I'm getting ready to do the towel, the steam towel, and I'm just gonna use like a basic towel and a basic cap. So if you ever want to do this at home, you can. All you have to do is get your towel extremely hot, as hot as you can, as hot as you can take it. Then you're gonna take the towel and you're gonna wrap it around your head and you're gonna put the cap on top. Or you can put the cap on and then wrap your head with the towel. But I prefer to put the towel on my hair because I feel like it gets more of that steam and it's gonna do exactly what I needed to do. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going, while that's doing that, I'm going to be trying to get these nails off my fingers. I'm going to try to clean up my eyebrows. I actually wanted to use the laminating thing that I purchased from Amazon. I'm going to show you that in a second, but I'm going to go ahead and do this, and then I'm going to take you to my bathroom and show you exactly what I am talking about. So y'all, I'm back. I'm actually in my bathroom right now. As you can see, I got my cap and my towel on. I'm not going to take this off until I get in the shower, actually, but I wanted to show y'all what I was talking about when I was talking about wanting to laminate my eyebrows. And it's actually this. I purchased this off of Amazon, and this is the lamination kit. And I really wanted to do something different with my eyebrows, and just to give it a little bit more oomph. But I'm really excited about this because I really wanted to add. I wanted my eyebrows to look a little bit more fuller. So I'm definitely going to be doing this. I'm still in the process of trying to get these nails off my fingers, y'all. But I want to talk to y'all about something that happened in the last couple of weeks. So basically, I woke up one morning and I went to go check my account. So when I looked at my account, I was like, wait a minute, what the? I had so much money taken out of my account. It pissed me off. And when I tell y'all, I was so upset because the account that I've had for almost 23 years. And for that to happen, now I had to start all over. I have to start all over with the bank account. And I'm thinking, do I really want? So I decided not to get another bank account with the bank that I was banking with. I decided not to do it. I just can't. And of course they fixed everything, but I had to close the account. So now I have to do everything all over again. So this is the reason why I'm doing self-care, just to keep my mental and stuff together, because that really pissed me off. It really upset me because the way, I don't know how people can be out here doing the things that they do, you know. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Y'all, this vlog is like a 2-week span vlog. Like, I've had so much stuff going in the past 2 weeks. I don't know. But and I'm sorry because it is, I promise you that it is like all over the place. It's Sunday the 5th. Yes, of February. So I think the vlog started January 15th. I'm not sure. I can't remember. Like that. I'm off today, which I'm very happy about. Trying to get caught up on some more stuff. If you hear noise, it's my washer and dryer. I wash my clothes. I made my bed. My house is pretty clean, pretty much clean. I don't have any coffee, so I'm upset about that. And I didn't feel like going out. So I had my son order DoorDash, and I got me a cup of regular coffee from McDonald's, and I added my own creamer, and I started drinking this creamer right here. I really like it. It's the Silk. My cousin told me about it. Let me turn the light on so let me open my blinds a little bit real quick. And I'm gonna turn the light on. But my cousin told me about this. The Silk creamer is dairy free, and I like it, y'all. I really do like it. So I'm gonna keep drinking this because I'm trying to cut back on sugar. But anyway, other than that, y'all, so this is how my Sunday has started, and I am about to take care of a couple of things around the house and do some stuff. I have no idea what I'll have for dinner. I didn't eat anything this morning because I didn't really want anything this morning, so I just did my coffee. Don't start. Okay, y'all, so I have been, as y'all can see, I've taken my nails off, and I wanted to try to start doing my own nails. I ordered this poly nail extension gel kit. I think it's called GAOY. And I got this. This is a basic starter kit because I'm going to practice doing my own nails. So it looks like this. I'm going to open it for y'all. This is what it looks like on the inside. There's a clear gel, there's a white gel, pink, a light pink gel, and then you have like a nude. And I said, you know what? I'm going to try to do this myself. Sorry about that, y'all. My memory card ran out. My bad. I forgot it only had like 2 minutes on it. But anyway, so I have this. I'm not sure where I left off, so I'm gonna show it again. So this is what I got, and then I have the so-called UV gel polish. It also comes with, because it should have something else to go with it. Oh, and it also comes with this stuff as well. So I'm definitely excited about using this. I can't wait to see how it's going to turn out. So I'm going to keep you all posted. I might do this today. I might do it tomorrow because I'm also off tomorrow as well. So I am getting ready to go ahead and do a little something to my hair. Y'all see me bleach my hair before, so that's no biggie. But I decided I just wanted to go ahead. I wasn't going to bleach it, but I decided, you know what? Mitchell, I'm going to bleach it. I'm going to feel better.
Hey girl, that's a naughty church girl. Don't hurt nobody. You can be my daddy if you want to. You can be my daddy if you want to. You can get it tatted if you want to. You can get it tatted if you want to. So diamonds in the sky, keep this motherfucker lit. She gon' shake that ass in the pretty, take a pity. Get your racks up, get your man up. I'ma back it up, back it up.
Okay, y'all, so I am officially done with my hair. I love it. I had to bleach it twice. I absolutely love it. I had to come in and check in with you all and show you all that is done. I also cleaned up my eyebrows a little bit, just a little bit, something. But I'm going to go ahead and close the vlog out right here and start a new one, because since this one is kind of all over the place, I kind of want to go ahead and end it and start a new video. I have a couple of videos that I need to record, and so my blonde came out really nice. I really like it. I'm happy with it. So y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video. Please be sure to give the video a thumbs up, turn your notification bells on so that way you know I dropped a video, and don't forget to subscribe, as I always say. I thank each and every one of y'all for supporting my channel. I thank each and every one of y'all for subscribing, and I thank each and every one of y'all for giving this video a thumbs up, and I appreciate all of y'all. Be sure to follow me on TikTok at mitchelettangel. Follow me on Instagram at MACULATELIFE and Immaculate Impressions, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.